rice ball with eel. Ang bango. Ayan. Sobrang ganda. This time, it feels like autumn. Sobrang ganda. I don't know how to explain it. I guess I have not done my research well, so always so good.
Is arriving at track number 20 following. Please stay behind the yellow line.
Good morning, guys. Another day here in Japan. We're now heading back to Tokyo. So we're currently in Osaka at the Shinkansen station. So the train is almost here. Reserve the Shinkansen on Klook just to make sure that we get the Mount Fuji window side. So I only have a very light food, guys. So I have juice. This one, fried chicken with yuzu citrus pepper, and then prawn crackers. Hi guys, so we arrived back here in Tokyo. Our hotel this time is Toyoku Inn, Tokyo Akihabara, and this is actually one of the most affordable hotels guys na nakita ko. It's just that it gets sold out or booked out easily, kaya hindi namin to na book like in the first few days. And ang kagandahan pa is that this includes breakfast already sa super affordable rate. It's currently 11 a.m. so we cannot check in yet, but we are leaving our luggage here because we're going to Shinjuku. So today we're going to explore Shinjuku and the rest of the parks na meron nang nag-bloom na mga cherry blossoms, yung early blooming variety. And yun lang for our last day here in Tokyo. And also, we're planning to go to Tokyo Tower. Join us here for another day here in Tokyo. Guys, so we found a restaurant near sa Tokyo Tower. Actually, we've seen the Tokyo Tower already from here. Pero nagugutom na kami kasi it's 12:30. So, we're going to have lunch here and ang bango kasi dito dahil sa skewers. Which restaurant we're eating right now? This is the Masuya Shiba Daimon. You'll notice it from this area because it has red lanterns and then merong torii gate dito na malaki. So we ordered the skewers kasi it's one of their most recommended. Tip or reminder lang na merong mga restaurant na mandatory yung appetizer. So meaning they will really serve appetizer per guest once you arrive. Thank you. Wow, ang sarap. Wow. So that's the 5 skewers, guys. Going back to my reminder earlier, meron mga restaurant dito na mandatory yung appetizer, meaning they will serve appetizer per guest. So regardless if kakainin mo yung appetizer or not, it will be charged. So the appetizer is not for free. Pero meron namang reminder. So bago kayo kumain, if merong binigay sa inyo na parang paper or parang visual aid, tapos may mga reminders doon, make sure you read para hindi kayo mabigla. So this one, meron siyang appetizer. Etong ganito. This is an automatic charge sa bill nyo, kahit kainin nyo man o hindi. Also, another thing is that dito din sa kanila, mandatory na mag-order ka ng food and drink per person. So, hindi pwedeng mag-share. Meron naman siyang reminder. Just make sure na you read whatever is given sa inyo para hindi ka mabigla. So, I have the oolong tea. I ordered it cold. So let's start with their appetizer. That's good, huh? I think this has fish eggs, rice ball with eel. Ang bango. I'm so excited to try this. Let's try them. This is first. This one. By the way guys, Ariel also ordered this siomai. It's one of their recommended ones. So let's try it. Masarap siya. Pero masarap naman siya, pero not as good as the ones I've tried in Hong Kong. Prince Shiba Park, and from here nakikita yung Tokyo Tower. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Nag-snow kahapon dito sa Tokyo, pero today ang ganda ng weather. Like it's sunny, kaya ang daming nagpipiknik dito sa park ngayon. This is the Prince Shiba Park. The weather right now is perfect for picnic. Hindi siya sobrang lamig dahil umaraw na siya. But look at this park guys, ang ganda. And also there's like a sakura blooming right there. Pretty sure in the upcoming weeks magbo-bloom na mostly yung mga sakura because the peak for blooming season of sakura is next month, which is April. But this is a very great place to chill guys. Ang ganda dito. Nakadami na kami ng pictures kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng place. And gusto ko din mag-shoutout sa vlogging camera ko, like Insta360, kasi ang ganda ng capture niya sa camera right now. Like tingnan nyo. I know, nasabi ko na to, pero I'm so happy to get the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 as a vlogging camera. Sobrang compact. I just put this sa pocket ko right after using, and then sobrang ganda pa ng view na bibigyan niya talaga ng justice yung scenery and view dito ngayon sa Tokyo. Ayan, sobrang ganda. And we're now going to Yoyogi Park, so parang park hunting tayo today. So we're looking into Yoyogi Park if merong mga blooming na mga cherry blossoms or pink blossoms na. Honestly guys, super privileged ng mga Japanese sa place nila kasi ang ganda. I just wish we have the same privilege of enjoying our own parks in a way na ma-amaze din tayo sa sarili nating parks kasi ang ganda ng maintenance dito. Like it's spring, ang daming mga really colorful na blooming flowers, and then very well maintained yung mga parks nila, yung trees, their trees are well maintained, yung grass, ang ganda lang talaga. Like ang swerte ng mga citizens nila dito. But we're still blessed to experience yung mga ganito, and we get to visit these places and appreciate what they have. Di ba Ayun, papasok na kami sa Yoyogi Park. Ayan yung entrance. Marami ako nakikitang TikTok videos na meron ng mga nagbo-bloom na cherry blossoms dito. So we'll see. Kasi marami ding mga scams sa TikTok ngayon or social media. Welcome to Yoyogi Park guys. Honestly guys, we were discussing ni Aye kanina. It feels like autumn. I'm not sure because I haven't been to any country na fall or autumn season, but based sa pictures lang, and then the color of the leaves and the background natin ngayon is like more on brown, red, orange. Para siyang autumn, no? Para siyang autumn. So na-amaze lang kami kasi in our pictures meron kaming like snowing, like winter, meron tayong spring kasi we have cherry blossoms, and then this time it feels like autumn. Look at that. Ang ganda guys. Nagba-brown kasi yung background, at the same time para siyang brown, like a little bit orange, dark orange ganyan if nakikita nyo sa video ngayon. Ang ganda. And honestly, if I get to choose or decide anong pinakamagandang park na na-visit natin so far here in Japan, wala akong mapili na kahit isa na the best. Although I love the area dun sa Osaka Castle. Sobrang ganda kasi, sobrang laki ng place. May pa-lake, may pa-lake. So ang ganda nun. Siguro yun yung top 1 ko, but every park has its characteristic na unique. Siguro if I live here, i-alternate ko yung pag-visit ng park. Kasi each park, meron siyang kanya-kanyang character. Ang ganda lang. Sobrang na-amaze ako. I mean, nakaka-overwhelm yung feeling na sobrang ganda and na-experience natin to. Yan. Hopefully, maka-visit pa tayo dito sa Japan ng, many times more. So, we'll have to work hard. Ayan guys. And hopefully, tayong lahat pag-visit ng napakagandang country na to. They have so much to offer, guys. Like, we visited cities lang and then day tours on some other areas such as Nara, Kyoto, or even Mount Fuji area. But I know na may as per the tour guide kahapon, Japan has a lot to offer, especially sa mga other cities, other prefectures. So I'm so excited. If ever I'll get my multi-entry very soon, God willing, hopefully, I'll plan a backpacking here sa Japan. Hopefully ma-achieve natin yon. And I was chatting also Miss Cynthia, I know kilala niyo siya, na mag-travel kami together dito sa Japan kasi ang ganda, sobrang ganda. I don't know how to explain it, but I hope this video gives justice sa experience ko ngayon kasi sobrang ganda. Kaming nagpipiknik ngayon kasi it's a perfect day. Look at that, we have the sun, it's warm, but it's not hot because may lamig sa hangin, malamig yung hangin, but perfect weather for a picnic. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think these trees right here around the area, it's cherry blossom trees, I'm not sure. Pero meron siyang buds, and I think that will bloom any weeks now, any days from now. And can you imagine if lahat yan nagbo-bloom all together with the rest of the trees inside this park? Grabe, sobrang ganda siguro. Sayang hindi natin naabutan yan, but hopefully next year, visiting, maybe we'll target April na, not too soon or not too early of the year, like March, because hindi pa talaga siya peak for cherry blossoms. Meron naglalaro, meron badminton, meron man nag-frisbee. Hi gosh, this is the kind of life we want after after a day of hard work. Like, ang ganda pag ganito yung moment, like on weekends we have this kind of weather, we have this kind of park na after weekends we can just chill with friends or family. We don't care about yung init kasi hindi siya mainit, hindi siya masakit sa balat. This is a perfect, I know palit-ulit ko nang sinabi yung perfect. Pero since this is my first time in this kind of weather, I experienced winter, but winter is too much. But this kind of weather, yung lamig is saktong-sakto lang, which is why ang saya ng mga tao ngayon. Malapit sa exit area, there are like drink bars and snack bars that you can get snacks. And then we're getting the long fries here kasi maraming kumakain and it looks delicious. You wanna know how it tastes. So it's long potato fries. The salt flavor is only 700 yen, while for the rest na merong sauce, nag-range yung price niya from 900 to 1,000. If ketchup, 800 yen. After this, we're going to Gyoen Park and then Shinjuku, and then we'll have dinner there. Para siyang fast food fries na pinahaba. Masarap. Para siyang McDo, no? McDo fries, 'di ba? But McDo fries hindi na kasi crispy. Pero if crispy pa yun, parang ganun yung texture niya guys. Masarap siya. Coffee guys, iced coffee. I don't usually drink coffee but since medyo ilang araw na tayo kulang ng tulog kasi nga travel at na-excite, so I'm trying to get my energy, so we're drinking coffee. Baka palpitate ako dito mamaya. So guys, this is still in Yoyogi Park area and there's a torii gate there, so if you wanna go inside that, maraming malalaking puno dyan na preserved within the city, so it's just amazing how they preserved that forest area right there, and merong temple or shrine sa loob, so if you wanna have like a walk there, pwede, pero bawal magbike kasi pag shrine or temple area, that's area of prayer, so you can just have like a peaceful walk there, appreciate the nature, appreciate the trees, because it's amazing how they are able to preserve such a big forest within the city. Guys, so we made it inside the Shinjuku Gyoen National Park. Wala pa kami masyadong nakita ng mga pink blossoming trees, but merong ganito, parang variety, but it's white. Pero ang ganda pa din niya. I didn't know na meron palang admission fee here. I guess I have not done my research well, so meron palang 500 yen per person, that's per adult, to enter the park. Kaya siguro mas konti lang yung tao dito. Pero ang ganda pa rin ng park. We'll go around and see if meron ng mga nag-blossom na pink blossoms or cherry blossoms. Pero ang ganda pa rin guys, so look at that. Meron kaming nakita like one tree lang na nag-pink. So wala pa talagang nag-bloom ngayon. Ang karamihan na nag-bloom is yung parang may white siya na parang flower, which is flowering tree din. This is another really nice park right here. It's just that meron siyang admission fee. I'm not sure if ngayon lang to na mag-cherry blossoms or is it all year round. But personally maganda din siya. The site itself.
I think it is.
Ay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ay, nalaglag ni Ariel yung ano niya, Suica card. Keep it gani. Also, meron na ako nakitang 2 pink blossoms. Going back guys, this is another nice park. Iba din yung scenery or view niya. Tingnan nyo naman. Compared sa Yoyogi, there are fewer trees here, pero maganda kasi parang yung this is actually a grass. Parang hindi siya entirely namatay na grass, but baka mag-green lang to ulit if nag-start na ng summer or spring, yung ganon. I mean, it's the start of spring. So, mag-green siguro to ulit, mabubuhay siya ulit. Ang ganda lang niya sa picture, especially it's very new sa mata kasi it feels like, or it looks like a rug or a carpet. Tingnan nyo. It looks like a carpet. It's actually a grass na nag-turn yellowish or ganun. There are a lot of cherry blossom trees here. Ayan, pero wala pang nagbo-bloom. And ang daming mga old trees kasi sobrang laki ng trees. If makita nyo yan, actually mas malaki pa yung park. It extends up until there. Buong Gyoen Park, pero so far parang kalahati yung naikot namin. Ito yung nakita naming pink blossoms, so sobrang konti lang. I think like mga 4 na trees, pero hindi siya ganun kalago, tama ba? But hindi siya ganun ka-blooming. So we're going back na to we're going out na sa park. But kahit wala pang cherry blossoms guys, super ganda pa rin ng park. And I think your 500 yen is still worth it. Do you agree?
It's like autumn fields.
Autumn fields?
Fields.
Autumn fields kasi parang yellow and brown yung mga backdrop mo.
Yeah.
Hindi ko na video yung pamimili namin sa Don Quixote tsaka yung may grocery kasi sobrang busy. I'll do a TikTok video about that. Follow me on TikTok. That's MJ Salaga. Also, I'll be showing you the room here. I'm surprised that the room is actually bigger in terms of space if you compare it to Apa Hotel and Sutetsu Fresa. We're going to have our dinner. Our last dinner here in Japan. Hanap muna kami na makainan. So, we're going to have Japanese curry for our dinner. Ang sarap guys, this is medium size. I think 920 yen to. This is beef curry in beef curry sauce. And then free lang yung mga tea at water. Meron silang dispenser. At maraming mga condiments din as usual dito sa Japan. Merong pickled ginger at saka mga sauces. For Ariel, he's got the grilled beef set. Meron ang soup. Ayan, merong vegetable and grilled beef. Sobrang laki guys. Ayan. Sobrang laki. Let's eat. Basta Japanese curry guys, it will not disappoint. Always so good. Guys, when I went to Thailand, sobrang sarap ng mga food guys. Ang hirap pantayan ng food sa Thailand. The first few days na dito ako sa Japan, hindi ko pa masabi na may nakapag-beat na sa Thai food. This is my personal preference guys. Personally, sobrang impressed, sobrang nasarapan ako sa mga Thai food. I think the only food na makapag-beat siguro sa Thai food is Japanese curry. It's my all-time favorite. Alright, so this is our hotel here at Toyoko in Tokoyo. Alright, so this is our hotel room at Toyoko in Akihabara. So as you can see, compared to the other hotel rooms, Appa and Sutetsu, this has bigger space and the room is also longer, mas mahaba siya. So as you can see, meron pang space ang mga luggage dito sa gilid. And then may mga gamit na kami dyan kasi galing kami namili sa Shinjuku. Then dito yung mga hangiran ng mga gamit. And then ito yung bed niya, sobrang spacious din. And then kumuha kami ng pajama set. And then ayan, ito yung study table. Merong malaking TV. We have a ref here. Ayan, merong area dito sa gilid kung saan pwede kang maglagay ng mga gamit. Here's a chair. Also a spacious table. Kettle. A mug. Then meron silang safe. The other hotels wala siyang safe. Tapos merong maliit na mirror dyan. Merong blower. Meron pa silang mga books. We have the remote and then this mirror. Then meron silang pa-clock dito. Meron ding magazines here. And then lamp. Now let's go to the restroom or CR. So ito naman yung CR nila. Same lang ng size sa other hotels. Same siya sa Sutetsu. So we have the tub, shower, we have complete wash, conditioner, shampoo. Here's the sink. And then here's the toilet. Of course, meron din yung bidet as a Japanese standard na automatic. Ayan, towel and then may malaking mirror. In terms of the room, the space, and the design, mas gusto ko tong hotel na to. And ito yung pinakamura actually na hotel room per night compared to the other hotels na nastayhan natin dito sa Tokyo. Ang ganda pa ng lamp and at the same time, maganda yung wall. yung mga decoration dyan, mga design. Hindi siya yung plain lang. So it feels like very homey. And don't forget to use my Klook promo code for any of your bookings on Klook, especially for hotels, to get a discount. That's MJS Klook. So guys, I'll be ending my Japan vlog series here. Sobrang memorable and sobrang saya. Thank you guys again for joining me in this journey. Bukas maaga kami going to the airport kasi 8:50 AM yung flight namin from Narita to Cebu. Thank you again guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.